Today we're going to go over the setup and use of the Lavina 25-inch planetary propane powered grinder. First thing we do before using this machine is check the engine oil level. You want to make sure it's full and in proper condition. Once we've assured that's in good shape, we'll check the propane tank for connections, make sure it's strapped in properly, and also check the gauge for how full the propane tank is. Once we're sure that's in good shape, we'll move on to starting up the machine. First step is disengage the emergency stop button. Next step is turn the key halfway to check the engine hours and battery life. Crank the key to start the engine. We'll let this run at half throttle for a minute or two to warm up the engine. We want to be sure that the vacuum is connected and that the vacuum is turned on. We'll engage full throttle. Tilt the machine back slightly and engage the blade clutch. Now you're ready to grind. Once you're completed grinding, turn off the blade clutch, turn the throttle down, and turn the key off. And the final step is engage the emergency stop. So as an additional note, the grinder has weights that we normally keep in the back position. If you need to do a little more aggressive grinding, some removal of old epoxies surfaces, the weights can be moved forward, giving more weight on the grinder head. So to move the weight forward, you remove the pen, move the latch, move the weight, re-affix the latch, and re-engage the pen. So instructions for installing new tooling is lock the handle in the upright position. Put one foot on the back of the machine and gently tilt it back. Now you use the lock key to remove the lock ring. Once that's removed, you need to gently tap the tooling to remove them from the plate. Now you can install your new tooling. Replacement ones go right into place. They might need a little tap with the hammer. I reinstall the spade ring so it's lined up and holds the blades in place.